My friends, welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review. I hope you all are doing well. What I have here is the Kelty Late Start tent, and in this episode we are waterproof testing it. For this test day episode, we have a lot of rain and possibly some storms coming in. This is going to be a fantastic test for the Late Start tent. At this very moment, a little bit of rain is falling. The tent has been set up, it's fully staked out, and it is ready to go. As far as my prediction goes, I do not think this tent is going to leak. With all of my experiences with Kelty tents, none have leaked, but that doesn't mean that the company makes good tent shelters. Yes, they're waterproof, but in general, the condensation issues with their tents are big. I mean, big. I'll talk more about this in the review of this tent later on. For now, let's focus on the waterproof testing of this tent. All we have to do is await the rain and the storms. As an update, everybody, it has been raining for roughly 1 hour. The intensity has really picked up and it's raining quite hard at the moment. For this rain test episode, I have set up a tarp over my Forerunner, and that is my home base. I'm able to stay dry while keeping an eye out on this tent. So far, this has been an excellent rain test for this shelter, but we're not done yet. It's going to rain for hours and hours longer. With this test, it's all about putting this tent through its paces to see whether or not it's waterproof. We're not talking about a short duration rain event. We're talking about prolonged rain of varying intensities. That is how I waterproof test a shelter here at the Outdoor Gear Review. I want to give you all an update. It has been raining for over 3.5 hours now. All in all, this has been a very good rain test for the Kelty Late Start. The rain, for the most part, has been moderate to heavy. We had roughly an hour of light rain, but then from that point on, it's been absolutely pouring. My plan is to let the tent sit out here for another couple of hours, and then we'll see whether or not it has leaked. Time is up, everybody. We're about 20 minutes away from sundown, and it's time to check on this tent. This tent has been out in the rain for over 6 hours. Let's find out whether or not it leaked. As I expected, the tent has not leaked at all. I am not surprised at all with the result from this rain test. Generally speaking, Kelty tents do not leak, but when it comes to condensation, they are some of the worst tents out there. I'm going to move to the next phase of testing with this tent, so stay tuned. Now that I see that the tent is waterproof, I'll move on to condensation control, moisture control, so on and so forth. In the future, my review of this tent will be coming up. I gotta know, everybody, was your prediction correct? If you enjoyed this episode, hit the thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Also, if you found it helpful, hit the thumbs up. Everybody, take care, be well, strength and honor. Bye for now.